Hello everyone. In this presentation, I would like to share the result of my interview about education, especially from a teacher's perspective. I chose this topic because education is one of the most important aspects of human development. As students, we are directly involved in the education system. So it is important to understand how teachers view the current condition of education, especially in the digital era. Education today is very different from the past technology or the past. Technology, online learning, and new teaching methods have changed the way students learn and the way teachers teach. Therefore, I want to explore this issue by interviewing a teacher who has real experience in the education field. Okay, for the next, let's check it out the video.
Good morning everyone, my name is Aridana Fauzan and I'm a student of Universitas Cyber Asia. In this video, I would like to present my final exam project for the English course. The topic that I chose for this project is education. I chose this topic because education plays a very important role in shaping our future. Education does not only help us gain academic knowledge, but it also builds our character, discipline, and way of thinking. In recent years, especially after the pandemic, education has changed significantly due to the rise of online learning and digital technology. Through this video, I will present an interview with a teacher, followed by a discussion of the interview results and my personal opinion. Okay, before starting the interview, I would like to introduce my interviewer. Today, I'm interviewing Mr. Naval. He has experience in both face-to-face and online learning, which make him relevant to today's topic. Now, let's begin the interview. Okay, Mr. Naval, can you please introduce yourself and tell us about your role in education?
Okay, thank you. My name is Naval. I am a teacher. I have been teaching for about 1 year. My role as a teacher is to guide students in their learning process, help them understand lessons, and support their personal and academic development.
In your opinion, how important is education in today's society?
In my opinion, education is very important in today's society. Education prepares students for their future and help them develop critical thinking skills. It also teaches values such as a discipline, responsibility, and cooperation.
What are the main challenges in education today, especially after online learning became common?
One of the biggest challenges is maintaining my student motivation and discipline during online learning. Many students struggle to focus and participate activity. Limited interaction between teachers and students also affect the learning process.
Based on your experience, how has online learning affected students' learning habits?
From my experience, online learning has changed students' habits. Some students become more independent, but many others become less activity in the class. They tend to participate less in discussion compared to face-to-face learning.
Do you think technology has improved the quality of education?
Yes, technology has improved education in many ways. It provides easy access to learning materials and makes learning more flexible. However, technology must be used wisely so it does not reduce student focus and discipline.
What suggestion would you give to students and schools?
Students should be more responsible and disciplined in their learning. Schools and teachers should use more interactive teaching methods. Good communication between teachers and students is also very important.
Based on the interview, several important points can be highlighted. The teacher start the education plays a crucial role in preparing students for their future. He also mentioned that education is not only about academic knowledge but also about character building. Furthermore, the teacher explained that one of the main challenges in education today is maintaining students' motivation and discipline, especially during online learning. According to him, limited interactions make students less active in class. The teacher also said that technology can improve the quality of education if it is used wisely. He emphasized that interactive teaching methods are necessary to keep students engaged. Personally, I agree with the teacher opinion. As a student, I experienced both the advantage and challenges of online learning. Online learning provides flexibility, but it also requires strong self-discipline. Without motivation, students may lose focus and interest in learning. I believe education in the digital era should balance technology with active interaction. Teachers and students must work together to create an effective learning environment. In conclusion, education remains a fundamental foundation for personal and social development. From this interview, we learn that education faces challenges, especially in online learning, but these challenges can be overcome through discipline, interaction, and cooperation. Education should continue to adapt to technological change while maintaining its core values. Thank you very much for watching this video and goodbye. Thank you, Mr. Nafa.
You're welcome.
Based on the interview, several important points were highlighted. First, the teacher said the education plays a crucial role in shaping students' future. According to the teacher, education is not only about gaining academic knowledge, but also building character, discipline, and responsibility. Second, the teacher mentioned that one of the biggest challenges in education today is maintaining students' motivation and focus, especially during online learning. The teacher explained that many students become less active and easily distracted when learning through digital platforms. Furthermore, the teacher said that technology has improved the education in many ways. It provides easy access to learning materials and makes education more flexible. However, The teacher emphasizes that technology must be used wisely. Without discipline and proper guidance, technology can reduce students' productivity. The teacher also suggested that interactive teaching method and good communication between teachers and students are essential to improve learning outcomes. Personally, I strongly agree with the teacher opinion. As a student, I also experienced the challenge of online learning. While it offers flexibility and convenience, it requires a high level of self-discipline and responsibility. Without strong motivation, students may lose focus and become passive in class. I believe that education in the digital era should balance technology with active engagement. Teachers should create interactive learning environment, and students must take responsibility for their own development. Education is a shared responsibility. Both teachers and students must work together to create a meaningful learning experience. In conclusion, education remains a fundamental foundation for personal growth and future success. From the interview, we can conclude that although education faces new challenges in the digital area, in the digital era, the challenge can be managed through discipline, communication, and effective use of technology. Education should continue to adapt to change while maintaining its core values, such as responsibility, character building, and lifelong learning. Thank you very much for your attention. Goodbye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.